Hello traders, today is the 30th of March 2023. As you have seen this morning analysis review, most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. New York session was a bit quiet, but still we managed very decent profit at the New York session. So let me share with you guys how I help my traders through live intraday analysis to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. All right, EURUSD, as mentioned in the morning analysis, we had a beautiful long trade here once the price broke on this one. London morning session, we had a beautiful long trade here, price nicely hit to the profit target. So we were expecting a pullback at the New York session, but you can see we haven't seen any volatility. You can see based on this morning analysis, we had this beautiful breakout, price nicely hit to the profit target. At the New York session, we were expecting this pullback around this level. But as you can see, we haven't seen any volatility in the market now. All right, so pound dollar, pretty straightforward. We had a beautiful long trade in the London morning session. As mentioned this morning, we had this beautiful, you can see here as soon as the price respected here. So we're expecting this long trade here. And London morning session, price broken and retest and keep taking a pullback. That's what I explained my trader. And if you look at the intraday analysis, that was a pretty straightforward. We had a beautiful few trades at the New York session. So this was the trade as mentioned in the London morning session. Beautiful breakout long trade here. And at the New York session, that was a pretty straightforward. We were expecting a pullback, as you can see, and based on the 4-hour, price nicely developed pullback. In intraday, this is a structured breakout. We were looking here, the price nicely broken. Beautiful, nicely profit target hit. Bank some profit, again, pretty straightforward. Banking some profit, look for another pullback around this level, as mentioned here in the analysis. Pullback long, long, and long. Even the price is about to break the previous high. That was a beautiful trade on pound dollar. All right, so dollar CAD, we've been short since the market broke on the structure. So this morning, as explained, my trader just keep taking a pullback short trade here. So if you look at the first analysis, that was the first analysis in the morning just before London open, pullback or breakout, price nicely broken. You can see here. Let me make it smaller so you can see. Okay, so based on this analysis, as you can see here, market nicely broken, and after that we did this analysis, keep taking another pullback. So based on that, we have this pullback, you can see here, and we had a 2 pullbacks. So we had amazing trade, guys, today. Most of the traders bank 100 plus pips. I hope you enjoy this analysis, but you can enjoy more when you watch all this analysis in real time. And if you're still struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill with a live market and also opportunities to get funded. So more information, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation, guys. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Have a safe trading, and until next time, all the best.